We'll guide you through how to fix Discord screen share lagging. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Improve your screen share performance and reduce lag and stuttering issues on Discord. Just click on User Settings on the bottom left corner. From here, scroll all the way down and you'll see a setting labeled as Advanced. Just click on Advanced and you'll see Hardware Acceleration, which uses your GPU to make Discord smoother. Turn hardware acceleration off, and after disabling it, just completely restart your computer. Restarting helps apply the changes properly, and once your computer turns back on, and open Discord again and try screen sharing to check if the lag is fixed. If the lag still exists, go back to the same advanced settings and toggle it on once again, because some systems actually perform better with it enabled. Now stay inside Discord settings, and from here scroll up and go to voice and video. And in voice and video section, the settings inside voice and video may vary. Some have voice and video labeled in the top, and some may have to scroll down manually to get to their preferred settings. In the voice section, just scroll down until you find Show Advanced Settings. Just click on the drop down, and in the bottom, you will see an option labeled as Quality of Service. Just toggle it on, and if it was already toggled on, try toggling it off and try screen sharing again. These settings can sometimes cause lag or stuttering during screen sharing, especially if your internet connection is unstable. After that, continue scrolling down to video section, and in the video section, similarly click on Show More Advanced Settings, and from here, if you see an option called as Video Hardware Acceleration, simply turn off that as well. It may not be available for all of the users, and once you have done that, close the setting and try screen sharing again to see if the performance improves. If the problem still is not fixed, another helpful step is to clear your network and cache using command prompt. Just go to the Windows search bar and open command prompt by typing cmd, and just run command prompt as administrator, and it may ask you for confirmation. In the command prompt, run the following command. And after running the command, this command clears your DNS cache and can help resolve your network related issues that may affect Discord screen sharing. After the command finishes running, just close your command prompt and restart your PC. And once your PC restarts, just open the Discord app once again and try sharing your screen once again.